What is going on, everybody? It is Fitz Miller and the Lexus for tonight. Back here with another video. I finally got my We Are Likewise shift knob and extender. It's the Suzuka and the Death Grip, I think. I'll double check. But anyways, finally got it all the way from Australia. We're gonna be opening this. I don't have the Skyline back. I get it tomorrow morning and it'll be put on in one of the next videos, but I wanted to open this in front of you guys, share this experience with you guys, and show you guys what I got. Let's get right into the video. All right guys, so starting off, they got the We Are Likewise tape all over the box. Kind of sick. Kind of wish I had some Fitz Miller tape when I send out merch to you guys. This is what we have in the box. Here's the shifter, and then we have the shift extension, as well as the adapter for Nissan, and looks like a little Allen key for adjusting the extension. We're gonna go ahead and start it off with the knob. You guys ready? Oh my god, yo, look at this. Look at this. This is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Great lighting out here this evening, so you guys can see that it is this powder coated purple with the carved Likewise logo. The quality on this, to me, right out of the box, just feels solid. It's not as heavy as I would like it to be. With the extension, should be quite heavier. It's like double the weight, but overall, very solid feeling product. I know these guys have gotten a lot of hate from just talking to friends, talking to people who have owned these products. You either hate them or you love them, and I don't know why. I don't know how you could hate this. Maybe we'll find out when I'm shifting, but this to me is just absolutely beautiful. Put that back in the box. I mean, yo, it feels like I'm opening an Apple product here, to be completely honest. I mean, look at that. The marketing behind this piece is beautiful. Moving on to the shift knob extension. Let's see what we got here. Comes with a little bag with a sticker and I'm assuming warranty stuff. Shout out them. You guys know we already love the stickers. It's half the fun of getting the product. Here is the extension. Again, forgot the exact name of both of these. Either way, it is absolutely beautiful. All right, so here we are. Both just loose, which is fine. That's why we have the Allen key. Give me just a second and I'm gonna tighten it up. So since I want to be obnoxious, I'm gonna go ahead and put this on the tallest setting. I'll make it flush to the bottom, kind of like that. Make sure they're nice and tight. That's not going anywhere. And then for the bottom, same thing. I want to be obnoxious. So let's say you guys are looking at the shift knob. I don't want it to the left of it. I don't want it to the right of it. I don't know if I want behind it like that or in front of it. I think that feels the most natural to me. Turn the logo this way and we're gonna tighten it up. Same thing on the other side. Nice and flush, and nice and flush. Again, the quality of this feels really nice. It feels very sturdy in my hands. No flexing, no moving, no turning or anything. I don't know if you're supposed to put Loctite on these little screws, didn't say to. I'm sure it'll be plenty fine. Get this bad boy out. This thing still just love this purple. Just gonna screw right onto the extension. Solid as hell. This feels really good in my hands. Cannot wait to be banging gears. I don't really bang gears in the Skyline, but can't wait to shift with this thing for sure. Let me show you guys the adapters for your car. So on the website, based on what car you have, it comes with these little adapters to adapt to your thread pitch. So this is the first one that goes down onto your shift knob, or where your shift knob is going to go, and then this is just like a locking nut that's going to go down on top of it, like that. From there, once this is in the car, you get your shift knob and you're going to screw it onto the adapter. Obviously I do not have the car to put it on tonight, but I was just way too excited to open this. Wanted to show you guys as well. To give you guys a price breakdown. All right, so on the We Are Likewise website, go to shifters. This one, the purple one, is the Death Grip. Standard one is $70 just for the black, no dog tag, and I wanted purple. Also comes in, I forgot what color, it's like a Tiffany blue, but $70 for the shift knob itself. For just the extension, which is the Suzuka, standard black on black, is $80, and then you're also gonna need an adapter to fit your car. And I think the adapters were like a couple bucks. Overall, I spent around $150 on everything. It shipped really fast, even though it was from Australia. Took a minute to get here, I'd say about a week, but coming from all the way across the freaking ocean, all the way across the pond, that is not bad at all. I'll be linking these products down in the bio below. This is in no way a sponsorship, although I would love for it to be for all my future builds. Again, we're gonna get this in the car, we're gonna test it, we're gonna shift it, we're gonna beat on this thing just to make sure it's solid, because I don't want anything coming apart my hands. But like I said before, as a first impression, this thing feels absolutely great, and I cannot wait to get it in my freaking car. Alright guys, this is going to be wrapping up the video. Shout out to We Are Likewise for sending me this. Not a sponsorship, I bought it. Shout out to them for letting me buy it, I guess. I cannot wait. I cannot wait to be just banging gears with this thing. Anyways guys, this has been Fitz Miller, the new shift knob setup, back here with another video. We'll see you guys in the next one.